welcome back to my channel. It's Timera for all my current subbies. Hey, welcome back. But if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that button down below to join the fam. So today's video is going to be my vision board for 2021. So as you can tell, this is my vision board right here, and I did cut it up just to make it a little bit smaller and work better for me. But before we get into the video, don't forget to like this video, comment down below if you are going to be doing a video similar to this or some of your goals for 2021, and let's get right on into it. One of the first things I want to go by is a quote for this year that I just continuously keep seeing. So this just says, I can't do it, but you take off that apostrophe T, and of course it says I can do it. I'm going to be putting this in the middle of my vision board just so that I can constantly remind myself that there's nothing that I can't do. There's nothing that I can't achieve, and just to remind myself of this daily so I can build up that confidence. And I'll just move this a little bit forward for you guys can see. I'll just put it right there. And I'm just gonna tape it on. Okay, and I'm just gonna tape all four sides because I don't want this to move. But I am like super excited to be filming this video, y'all. I have been wanting to film this for weeks, but I have put it off for some odd reason. I know with work and everything, I've been super busy, but I definitely want to go ahead and get this video out for you guys. So yes, that's the first thing I want to go by this year, go by this quote. I hope this quote also helps you guys out as well and helps you get through the year with so much confidence. Okay, the next thing, y'all. So we are so close to hitting 1,000 subscribers. I am super excited. I've been really working on my content, my tags, description. I've been working on so much on my channel, and I'm super excited about the growth. If you have not seen in my last video, which I put up a little late, of my 500 subscribers, definitely go ahead and check that out. And I'm just super excited. So my goal for 2021 December is to hit 10,000 subscribers. Yes, I want to hit 10,000 subscribers by the end of this year, and I am super prepared, but not prepared. But I want to hit 10,000 subscribers for this year. I feel like 10,000 is a great goal for me. I don't want to stop myself and just state that I'll only hit 10,000, but my goal for December of 2021, the end of December 2021, is to hit 10,000 subscribers. And the reason why all these are kind of yellowish is because right before I wanted to film this and I was printing everything out, my printer cartridges actually started running out, and well, my color cartridges started running out in my printer. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and print them out anyway and get this up for you guys because I don't want to postpone it, and it's something that I really want to get out for myself. So I just went ahead and went with it. So that's why you see so much yellow on here. Okay, so the next thing is I want to hit 10,000 followers on my Instagram page, my business Instagram. So right now I believe I am at, I want to say like 470 followers on Instagram, and I definitely want to hit that 10,000 mark by the end of 2021. With my business, there's so much that I want to do with my business. I just have not actually like started it, if that makes any sense. So I have not done that much with my business over the past 2 months at least. I did tell myself that the month of January, by the end of this month, I do want to have some new products added to my website. But I am trying to still figure out where I want to go with my website. So I'm still trying to figure that out. So definitely be patient with me, guys. But I want to hit 10,000 followers on my business Instagram, and I am going to push for that. I know it's going to take a while to get there, and it may not even take a while, honestly. I just have to put in the work. So I have a lot of work to put in just to reach this goal. So I'm going to take you guys on this journey with me, and I am definitely hoping to reach that 10K by the end of this year. And I'm just gonna go ahead and take this down as well. And it just feels so good to tape all this and have it on here, just to know I am trying my best to stick to these goals and make sure that I achieve them for this year. Okay, so the next one, if you have not already seen my Jeep video or my car tour video, definitely go ahead and watch that. I will have it linked down below. So last year, February of 2020, I bought a 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and it was my first like major big girl purchases. I have bought smaller cars in the past, but they have not equaled anywhere near the total of this Jeep. And when I got it, I was super surprised because the payments kind of threw me off, but it was okay. It was okay. I really wanted it and I really loved it at the time. So I just went ahead and got it. But guys, I want to pay my Jeep down to $7,500. And I know to some people that may seem unrealistic, but for me, I feel like I can get that amount paid down for where it's at, even though I haven't even had it a full year. There is so much that I can do to get this paid down. I am also looking to start saving way more. If you guys want me to do videos on saving or cash envelopes, anything like that, go ahead and drop that down below as well. I absolutely love watching those videos. And I know we are all looking to save for this year and have our bank accounts up at all times. So yes, I want to save, mark it down to $7,500. So I'm just going to place it right there on my vision board. And I'm going to go ahead and take this down as well. Okay, so the next one, and guys, y'all, I'm gonna hit this goal. I'm like, without a doubt, no joke. So one of the biggest thing, and this is the biggest thing of all that I want this year, I'm gonna be a homeowner. Yes, so I want to be a homeowner. This is gonna be the year where I buy my first home. May not be my forever home, I don't know, but I want to buy my first home this year in 2021, and I am so focused on completing this goal. As you can see by this picture, this is the kind and style of home that I absolutely love. I have looked at a few other homes in the past few months. I did go on a few home tours last year, but this home, it just really describes me. I don't need a super big home. I just want a simple house, but I love brick homes. I'm going to be a homeowner by December 2021. Mark my words, I am manifesting it and it's gonna happen. If you are like me and you are currently renting, I know for a fact you feel like it's a waste, because I feel like it's a waste because I'm paying so much money renting and it's not really going anywhere for me. But I want to get this home for me and my family so I can film better videos. There's so much that I want to do for you guys, and getting this house is going to make a huge difference. Maybe not for you guys, but it'll make a huge difference for me. So that's my biggest goal of 2021, y'all. And I'm telling y'all, I'm so ready to get to that goal. We are going to hit it and I cannot wait. Okay, so one of the last things is I want to lose 30 pounds. And I know you're like, what? You want to lose 30 pounds? Ridiculous. I've gained so much weight. And I have been trying to get this weight off, but I have not been working out how I should. So I tell myself every day that I'm gonna go on a diet. I'll tell myself I'm gonna go on a diet, or I'm gonna do some form of a challenge to lose these pounds. I'm just gonna drink water, but it does not happen. I really don't stick to it after a week. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. So I really need to, and I am gonna lose these 30 pounds. Before I had my kids, I was, I think, like 145. After I had my first son, I had got up to 188, lost the weight, got back down to 155. With my second son, y'all, it was the exact same way. I got up to 188 and went down to 155. And somehow I have managed to gain almost 30 pounds. Like, I don't believe it's 30 pounds, but it's so close to 30 pounds. So I really need to get this weight off. If you are, or if you have gained weight due to quarantine with all these months, you know how I'm feeling. I am not liking this extra weight on me. People say it looks really good on me, but for me, it just is not the best. To lose these 30 pounds this year so I can get back to myself. And even if not 30 pounds, I would be super fine with at least 15 pounds. But I'm shooting for that 30-pound goal. Confident, But my weight is like something that I need to get control of, because the way I've been eating lately has not been good. So yeah, I need to get my weight in control. So yes, guys, this is my vision board right here. Let me know if you guys like this. I absolutely love it. I feel like it turned out so well, especially with the green and the yellow bouncing off of each other. I did not think it was gonna turn out this cute, but I absolutely love it. So yes, this is the end of the video. If you have created a vision board or you will be creating one, drop down below and let me know. I would love to watch your video, or I would just love to see a picture. And yes, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.